Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder sway illusion mirror neck break. I have seen other names on this, but that's the kind of name that gives it its correct parts in the correct order. If you hear someone talking about a shoulder sway illusion neck break, they're probably talking about the same move. Knowing how to do a shoulder sway, knowing how to do a neck break, knowing the principles of an illusion spin or an illusion turn, all of that be useful. I will put links in the description below for material that will help if you need to go back and check any of that out, so it's easy and quick for you to find. Jumping in, the whole thing looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right. This would be a move that would follow very, very naturally from an accordion. So we go back, we're going to be offering the left hand, we're going to come into a shoulder sway, so we're coming up to the shoulders, we wrap the lady. As we twist the lady out, so as we do the sway, we're going to take the hand that is in our left and comb over the lady to the far shoulder. We're then going to twist the lady to the left at the start of the walk. Then from here, we're going to pull back with the right hand to start the lady turning. We're just walking alongside as the lady's doing that turn. We take the right over the lady's head. When we have to, we let go with the left. The lady goes around, we recollect the hand, so there's our illusion section. As we come round to meet the lady, we turn to our right, so we're side by side with the lady on the left, and we sway the lady back onto her left. We now bring the lady forwards and we do a preparation like a neck break using that left hand. So we come round, good position, and then we turn the lady in a return direction. So we're coming around, pull with the left, over the top, coast an extra rotation, all the way down. We take the hand down to the right, flick to the left to spin the lady. Lady's right hand is out. We're going to block and bounce with the right hand. So we're twisting to the left, bounce her back into a return or return spin and catch, and we're done. So if we do the same thing from this side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back and offer 1, wrap to the shoulder 2, twist out and comb 3, preparation walking 4, then we go round 5, recollecting the hand and twist out 6, preparation 7, big turn 8, preparation 1, spin 2, bouncing 3, return spin 4, and catch 5. So let's try it together. Here we go, nice and slow. Right to right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go a back, wrap, comb, prep, turn, twist, prep, neck break, prep, spin, block, return spin, and catch. That's it. Hope you find that one to be good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All of that helps promote the moves in the channels. So big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notifications will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you don't miss one. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this too. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.